Today I will discuss protected members. So protected member in inheritance and normally protected members. So let us see what is protected members. So we are having three access specifier: public, private, and protected. Public, private we already know. So what is protected? Protected is just like private, not accessible directly outside the class. You tell me. You will ask me then what is why we have protected members. They are inherited in your inheritance. Private members are not inherited. Private members are not, but protected members are inherited. Now let us see with the protected member how protected members are inherited. Protected member inherited as public. So here we are having two protected members. Member functions public, then class publicly derived as from base, and there is a private member C in derived class and set C in the member function. Now what ABC is C out ABC. A, B are protected members. No protected members will be protected in derived class. So protected means here it will see. Now this line is not giving any error. It runs perfectly. But in case of private members, we are getting an error. We were getting an error in earlier class. But now it is not getting any error. And derived OB dot set AB is accessible OB dot set C OB dot show ABC. So this is the advantage of protected members. They are inherited but private members are not inherited. Now base class inherited as protected. So now this mode will change. This will be protected, and there are protected members and public functions. Now what happens to public member? Protected members so sit here, and public base class public things will also set in protected area in derived class. Now you see set AB. Set AB is not accessible because it becomes protected in derived class. So protected members are not accessible outside the class in normal way. So how can a protected? So you need to modify this one. Okay, we understand. Again, I am explaining. Set AB is public in base class, but it has been inherited in the derived has been inherited through protected mode. So public members also get protected here. They are not public, they are protected. Protected members are not accessible outside the class. So creating derived class object, if you want to access set AB, you cannot do this one. These are all about protected members. Now let us see. Base class and derived class constructor and destructor functions. So both base and derived are having constructor and destructor. Now what will be the order? So we are creating derived class object. So this will be the order: constructing base class, constructing derived class, destructing derived class, destructing base class. First base class will be constructed, then derived class will be constructed, then derived class will be destructed, then base class will be destructed. and passing arguments to a derived class constructor. So how can we pass arguments to derived class constructor? Suppose this derived class constructor is taking an argument. This class is not taking any argument. So simply what we will do, derived class object is created with OTAN. So this way we can, but what you always in inheritance, you are creating an object of derived class. Now if base class constructor is also taking argument, then how we will do that we will see in the next class.